Hey people, no, I just have to say that I've been running I have this page on Instagram called at Amrita Suresh 111, and it's been there for it's more than 2 years now. Like I started during the lockdown. So on my page, when I come across something interesting, I like to write about it and all. But there was this one page that sent me a very sweet message. They are called Decor manufacturers, and basically they make these decor items with of what I can see with metalware, and it's got kitchenware, tableware, homeware, hotelware. Like if you were to take a look at it, they make stuff like this. I wish I had the product in front of me. I could have shown you all better. So that's what I mean. Only when I believe in something, like if I have like personal experience of it, I'd like to write about it and post it on my Instagram page or make a YouTube video. But that's what, since they were so nice, like I don't have the product with me, but Decor manufacturer it is. And I think this is a Gujarat based company, I think. Yeah, I mean towards that side, I think. But yeah, so Decor manufacturer, since you folks were so kind, I felt I should make this video. And if I were to have the product in front of me, I could show it to my viewers, because when something is good, one should really take that time to appreciate it. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.